Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DENT token. As in my last video, we were watching that DENT token was testing a very strong support, and I told you that DENT token can start another powerful reversal from the strongest support ever in its history, because this support level was working previously as a support and resistance in the previous history of the DENT token. Therefore, we were expecting a powerful reversal from here. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame chart. Then right now we can see that the price line has finally broken out the resistance of this down channel. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for my members. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this daily time frame. And this was the support that I was talking about in my previous videos as well. And you can see that the price line was entered in this channel here at the start of November, and right now it has broken out this channel almost 2 days ago. And for more than a month, the price line was stuck in this channel, and finally we are out of the resistance of this channel. And during this move, we also had some fake outs. Like here we had a big spike, here we had another big spike, but the price line moved back inside the channel and continued the move to the downside. And until the price line did not reach here at this support, the price line did not reverse back, and we did not have any powerful reversal or breakout. And finally, after testing this support, we can see that this support has been breaking previously. If we move back and watch the previous history, we can see that here in Feb 2021, it has been breaking as a strong resistance, and in March 2021, it turned into the support. And here in May 2021, it has been breaking as a support for several days. Therefore, now again, it has turned into a very strong support, and it has worked as a very strong support for the price line. And we had a powerful reversal from here. We touched here, we tested the support here that was approximately at 2.9 cents, and again tested here and formed a kind of double bottom here. And now we have broken out the resistance of the channel. This is another resistance. If I place the trend line here, then you can see that here approximately at 5.5 cents, we have very strong resistance. Previously, this level has been breaking as a support and resistance. Therefore, the price line, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that right now it is rejected. But now after this breakout, the price line can easily break out this resistance very soon. Now, this will be another resistance that is we have approximately at 7.5 cents. And this will be a very powerful resistance for the price line and a key to a very big move. If the price line will be able to break out this resistance of 7.5 cents, then it can start a very long-term massive rally. And by the way, this was also the neckline of the previous inverse head and shoulder pattern that the price line formed here. And after this spike, the price line moved down here and formed this channel. And therefore, this resistance is really very important. Now, if we take a look at the oscillators, for example, on the daily time frame, we can see that the RSI was also oversold and the stochastic was also oversold, and both oscillators are coming out from the oversold zone. And if we switch to the weekly time frame, then stochastic has given buying signal from the oversold zone. And if we take a look at the previous history of the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, then whenever we have received buying signal from the oversold zone, DENT token has started a very big rally. And I'm expecting that this time it can repeat the same action. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.